Today's episode is made possible through the continuing support of my most excellent friend, Dax Bervin, and dozens of other people just like you on Patreon. If you like what I do and you're interested in being a part of it, check out the links below and see how you can get involved not only in supporting the show, but supporting your own projects and ideas and goals. Thanks. Hi there guys, and welcome back to the shop. I'm Chris Bowden, and thankfully you're not. Be happy about that. It's time for episode 5, where we're getting into drywall fun. I'm not going to get too deep into teaching you how to do drywall. This is more just here's the progress we did and the order we did stuff in. If you want to learn how to do drywall, check the link below. Awesome Canadian dude. I love this guy. He's funny as a rubber crutch, and he has forgotten more about drywall than I will ever know, and he's certainly more competent to be able to teach you than I am. So check out his stuff. He's really good. Today, Mouse is going to do mud and tape. She's going to rock the drywall. I'm going to be doing stuff in the ceiling because, sneak surprise, take a look up there. There's conduit in the ceiling. Nothing special or exciting on that, just standard everyday conduit. I'm not going to go in depth on teaching you how to run conduit. I've done that in other videos, and you can dig those out and learn that stuff. It's all run-of-the-mill stuff. I'm just hanging basic 3/4 inch conduit to get stuff to where I want it to be so that I can hang the lights that I want. The lights are what you're going to care about, so we'll get into that in detail, but for now I'm running conduit. It's nothing exciting. So Mouse is playing with mud, I'm playing with wire, and we're going to rock out. You guys have fun and enjoy the show. Makes it look way more finished all of a sudden.